Welcome, my amazing friends. Today we have another wonderful, tricky, but interesting math question to solve. So we are asked to find the values of x and y, and they are what? They are positive integers. They are positive integers. So we are asked to find the values of x and y if xy minus 7 squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. Okay, first let's remember that a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, now if you look at this, our a is xy, our b is 7. So let's go ahead and expand this in this form. So we'll have xy squared plus minus 2 multiplied by xy multiplied by 7 plus 7 squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. Now we have x y squared minus 2 times 7 is 14, xy plus 7 squared is 49 is equal to x squared plus y squared. Okay, so we have x y squared minus 14xy plus 49 can be expressed as 36 plus 13, okay, is equal to x squared plus y squared. Now let's add 2xy to both sides of this equation. If we do that, we will have xy squared minus 14xy plus 36 plus 13 plus 2xy is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Now I did this because I want to form x plus y squared from the right hand side. Alright, so at this point we have xy squared minus 14x plus minus 14xy plus 2xy will give us minus 12xy plus 36 plus 13 is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Remember that a squared plus b squared plus 2ab is equal to a plus b all squared. So that means that we can actually write the whole of this as a plus b all squared. So from here we have xy squared minus this 12 is same thing as 2 multiplied by xy multiplied by 6 plus 36, which is same thing as 6 squared plus 13 is equal to x squared, okay, x plus y squared, using this x plus y squared. Now remember that a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a minus b squared. So remember that a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a minus b squared. So relating this to this, so from here to here can be expressed as our a is xy minus our b is 6, all right, all squared, plus 13 is equal to x plus y squared. Now if we subtract minus x minus 6 all squared from both sides, we are going to have that x plus y all squared minus this xy minus 6 all squared is equal to what? 13. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. If this is the first time you are seeing our videos, please subscribe to the channel, okay? And also tune in at your convenience if you see something new to watch. Thank you so much. Now at this point, you can see that we have a squared minus b squared here, which is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So you can see that our a is x plus y and our b is xy minus x. So applying this, we are going to have x plus y, which is our a, plus this, plus xy minus 6 all squared. Sorry, we are not squaring again. Into, then this minus this, that is x plus y minus xy minus 6 is equal to 13. Okay, so we have x plus y plus xy minus 6 into x plus y minus times xy is minus xy minus times minus is plus 6 is equal to 13. Okay, note that 13 is equal to 1 multiplied by 13, and 13 is also equal to 13 multiplied by 1. But we are going to reject this, rejected. Why? Remember that that we are told that x comma y is positive. Okay, so we're expecting positive integer, and if we are expecting positive integer, then x plus a plus b must be greater than a minus b. Okay, so this must be greater than that, which is why we are going for this. Okay, so that implies that we can write that. So we now write down x plus y plus xy minus 6 multiplied by x plus y minus xy plus 6 is equal to 13 multiplied by 1. So that means that x plus y plus xy minus 6 is equal to 13. We call this equation 1, and x plus y minus xy plus 6 is equal to 1. We call this equation 2. So if we add equation 1 to equation 2, we are going to have x plus x is 2x, plus y is plus 2y, plus xy minus xy is 0, and minus 6 plus 6 is 0. This is equal to 13 plus y is 14. Now we factorize. 2 bracket x plus y is equal to 14. Now let's divide both sides by 2. We will have that x plus y is equal to 7. Now let's call this equation 3. Now let's rewrite equation 1 and 2 again here, okay? So equation 1 says that x plus y plus xy minus 6 is equal to 13, okay? And that's x plus y minus xy, that is the second one, minus xy plus 6 is equal to 1. Now this time let's subtract, okay? If we subtract, we will have x minus x is 0, y minus y is 0, xy minus minus xy becomes 2xy, minus 6 minus plus 6 becomes minus 12, is equal to 13 minus 1 is 12. Alright, now have you subscribed to our channel? If not, what are you waiting for? Okay, subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our videos ever again. Okay, so I'm trying to bypass this so that we continue our solving. Okay, all right. Now, this is what we got, that 2xy minus 12 equals 12. So let's write that 2xy minus 12 is equal to 12, right? Now let's transfer this to the other side. So we have 2xy is equal to 12 plus 12. So we now have 2xy is equal to 24. So we divide by 2, divide by 2. This remove this, we have that xy is equal to 12. Now this is equation 4. Now recall from equation 3, which is this, that x plus y is 7. So recall that x plus y is 7. So our x is equal to 7 minus y. Alright, so this is equation 5. Now let's substitute equation 5 into equation 4. If we do that, we will have xy equals 12. So our x is 7 minus y. 7 minus y multiplied by y is equal to 12. 7y times 7 is 7y minus y times y is y squared is equal to 12. Now let's rearrange this. If we do, we have minus y squared plus 7y. Let's bring this in. Minus 12 equals 0. Now we are going to multiply through by -1 to remove the negative sign as well. So if we do that, we will have y squared minus 7y plus 12 equals 0. So we now have to need two factors of 12, but when you add them, you get -7, and those two factors are -3 and -4. Okay, now because the coefficient of y squared is 1, so we are just going to open two brackets equals 0. So we have y and y times y is y squared, then we have -3 and -4. So from here, y minus 3 equals 0, y minus 4 equals 0 as well. So here we have y equals 3 and we have y equals 4. Okay, but from equation 5, our x equals 7 minus 1, but x is equal to 7 minus y. Okay, so when y is equal to 3, x is equal to 7 minus 3, and x is equal to 4. Okay, now when y is equal to 4, x equals 7 minus 4, x equals 3. We are going to prove that the answer we got is right. Okay, now this is what we have as values of x and y. Now when x is 4, we have 4 comma, our y is 3, and we also have when x is 3, our y is 4. Now let's verify. Okay, let's verify. So if we verify, we have, the equation says that xy minus 7 all squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. So we are going to use the first one, 4 comma 3. So we have 4 multiplied by 3 minus 7 all squared is equal to 4 squared plus 3 squared. Okay, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So we have 12 minus 7 all squared. Now is this equal to 16 plus 3 squared is 9, right? So we have 12 minus 7 is 5. So we have 5 squared. Is this equal to 25? And yes, 5 squared is equal to 25. And that proves that we are correct. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.